iOS 14 has launched to all supported devices, and with it comes so many exciting features, widgets, home screen setups that everybody is going crazy about, emojis, replies, app drawers, and more. But do you know that there are many features Apple never spoke of that are really an amazing part of iOS 14? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best hidden features of iOS 14 coming up next.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews. Now the first feature is that the hidden folder in Photos is truly hidden. Once you activate this feature, the folder will no longer show up in your photos, and for you to activate it, you need to head over to Settings, go to Photos, and then turn off Hidden Album. And once you check your gallery, you can see that the hidden album is truly hidden and nobody can find the secret photos you don't want anybody to see. And to turn it on, you follow the same process and turn on the hidden album. Now the second amazing feature is that you can now tell when an app is using your cameras or your microphone. When the microphone is in use, you get a yellow or orange indicator at the top right hand side of the screen next to the battery icon, and when the camera is in use, you get a green indicator. You can always go to Settings, Privacy, and restrict apps which have access to your microphone and your cameras. Apple will not include a clipboard for keyboards, but at least this time, when you copy text and paste elsewhere, you get a caption at the top of your screen, which will show you where you copied the text from. And it's an amazing feature. It's really nice. It's just a minor detail, but at least it's unique to iOS 14, and that is also a hidden feature. Now the next feature, which I love so much, is that now you have faster screen unlock when you are wearing a face mask. And you know, in these times that we find ourselves, most people tend to wear nose masks when going out, which makes it very difficult to unlock your iPhone using Face ID. And in the past, your phone will attempt face unlock 2 times before it gives you the option to input your password. But now the moment the camera recognizes that you are wearing a mask, it just avails the keyboard for you to input your passcode. And this is really helpful so that you don't waste too much time trying to unlock your device or making payments or authorizing passwords for apps which require your Face ID unlock. Now, one of the most exciting features of iOS 14, in my opinion, is widgets. The ability to add widgets to your home screen gives you so much customization options that were not available before. Widgets come in different sizes, colors, and function. I have a video where I show you the best third-party widgets you can install for free. So if you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision when you're making your next purchase. So if you like that kind of content, please click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you do not miss any episode. So these are some of the top hidden features of iOS 14. I have more in a part 2 video, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and let me know which are some of your very best hidden features that you have discovered in the comment section. Thanks, Bibre.